This is our first time growing potatoes.
Yeah.
So apparently when the tops start dying, they're ready. So we're just going to have a look and see if we can find any spuds. I used to call you Spud when you were little because you like chips so much. What have you got? What have you got? A beautiful potato!
And I still like chips now, and I still like
That's a pretty good size one.
Look, the chickens are all excited because they think there's something going on here that they'll benefit from. Oh, brilliant! Amazing. So we planted these potatoes from potatoes in the cupboard that had grown the little eyes. And so from those potatoes that were past their best, put them in the ground, and we've got loads more potatoes. That's amazing, isn't it? So from one half sprouty potato in our cupboard, we've now got this bowl full of potatoes.
These are all our potatoes.
Can't wait to try them. So I might do another little garden tour because things have grown a lot since I did the tour a few weeks ago. So this is the lime tree we put in that day when I did the garden tour last time, and that's starting to get some nice little new shoots on it. My figs are coming on beautifully. Look at those beautiful figs. 6, and then there's another little baby one sprouting up at the top. The apples are getting bigger. There's not many of them, but there's a few. This lime tree here has put out some great new growth as well. So then along here we've got the potatoes, and we've now got lots of tomatoes in as well. These all just came up out the soil from last year. Lettuces are still doing well. The strawberries have gone bonkers. We're going to have more strawberries than we know what to do with soon. And the same with the chilli. We've got 2 chilli plants here. And the number of flowers on there, give it a few weeks and we're going to have so many chilies that there's a little one just starting there. Yeah, it won't be long till we are inundated with chilies. The spring onions probably aren't far off. And then in this corner we've got the courgettes and the cucumbers, which have just gone wild. You can barely even see the rosemary in there anymore. They've grown so much. So if you look under here, I think we've picked all the cucumbers that were ready, but there's loads more courgettes there that are nearly ready too. Hi, you think I've got something for you? Sorry. The rosemary's in the middle there. The beans and snow peas are all finished now. The kale's still going well. Yeah, that's the end of the snow peas. Then along here we've got tomatoes, which are all flowering at the minute, so it won't be long till we've got loads of tomatoes. In fact, there's the first little ones there. And the pumpkin, if you remember, the pumpkin vine was just quite small at the back. Well, this is it now. It's just gone insane. It's growing up the tree house and it's just taking over everywhere. So still not quite sure what pumpkins they are. We think these leaves with the white on are probably butternut. And then along here it's kind of taken over where the blueberries and the lemon is, but the lemon tree's doing really well too. So I had to pay for lemons and limes today, so I can't wait until we've actually got our own. Then along here I've put in some more hydrangeas. So I've got 2 lovely pink hydrangeas over there. And then I've put in 2 more hydrangeas here. Then my wine barrel's doing really well. My basil's gone crazy. Normally I kill basil straight away, but I've got the great basil and the Thai basil and it's doing really, really well. And these little purple bells are doing well too. I'm hoping that they'll grow and come over the edge of the barrel eventually and look really pretty. And then the petunias and geraniums in the pot are just going from strength to strength. So much beautiful colour. Now, the most dramatic change out here recently is that my husband's spent the last couple of days relocating our washing line. So where we had the path and the washing line here, it's now been moved up to the back of the garden. And this will all eventually be turf. So we'll have a much larger usable area of grass garden, which is really good. It makes it look so much better without that out here. So really happy with how the garden's looking at the minute. It's a lovely place to spend time. And today's Christmas Eve, so we've just had dinner. We're just gonna chill out now and just have a quiet evening, ready for the mayhem tomorrow, because I can only guess at what time we're going to be woken up, huh? Do you reckon Santa's coming? Do you think you've been good?
I don't know.
Do you think you're on the nice list or the naughty list?
Comment down below.
No, you tell me. Do you think you're on the nice list or the naughty list?
I think I'm on the nice list.
Do you? I guess we'll find out tonight if Santa agrees. Hi everyone, happy Christmas. Hope you're having a great holiday season. It's actually Boxing Day. Yesterday we spent the day, just a quiet family one at home in the morning, and then we spent the afternoon and evening with friends, which was great fun. I've just finished editing the video that I've just uploaded for the birdcage veil and headpiece, and now we've got the car all loaded up and we've started the long drive heading to Port Macquarie, which is going to take us about 7 or 8 hours depending on the traffic. Hey sweetie!
Hi.
You settled in the back ready for the long drive? So we've come to beautiful Port Macquarie for a couple of days just to chill out with family. We're heading back to Canberra tomorrow. We've just been relaxing since we got here, and right now we're just down on Flynn's Beach in Port Macquarie, and it's just beautiful. It's such a gorgeous day. Put our feet in the water and we're going to head out and have a look around town a little bit more, see some of the other beaches and some of the views.